connecting a photoelectric sensor to turn the light on when it gets dark. You have 3 wires coming from this sensor. You have white, red, and black. The white will go to the white incoming and to the white going to the light. So all the whites are together. Then you have black from the sensor. It's gonna go to the black incoming power. So black from the sensor to the black incoming power. Now you take the red from the sensor and you hook that up to the black outgoing to the light. So red from the sensor to the black going to the light. So this one, the red wire, is basically separating your feed. So you have power coming in, then you're gonna go back into the sensor. It's gonna tell them it's dark, and then it's gonna continue up to the light. And then when it gets light, it's gonna sense it's daylight. It's gonna come back and it's gonna stay there. So that way you have light connected proper way. And I did that because I have an outlet that I just installed, and I will make a separate video on that. I wanted the continuous power to the outlet, so I can flip the switch on. I have power here, so the light stays off throughout the day, comes on at night, and I don't have to keep turning the light on and off to have power here in the daytime.